In today's specialized industrial landscape, stringent material performance requirements have become the norm. From the ultra-clean environments of semiconductor manufacturing to the extreme temperature fluctuations in aerospace, and the high-pressure, high-temperature conditions of tire molds, traditional lubrication and sealing solutions often fail to meet these demands. In response to these challenges, perfluoropolyether (PFPE)-based greases have emerged as a superior solution, offering unmatched chemical inertness, thermal stability, and low volatility. As a pioneer in advanced materials, YIBUZZ has developed a suite of high-performance PFPE greases tailored for specific applications. This overview highlights 3 new flagship products of ours and their capabilities in delivering exceptional reliability for critical industrial applications. First, the XYC TS4 thread sealant paste, engineered to ensure secure threaded connections in high-tech and heavy industrial environments. This product's unique formulation features chemical inertness, non-flammability, and the elimination of harmful impurities. With stable performance across an extensive temperature range, -73°C to 360°C, the sealant resists acids, bases, oxidizers, and corrosive gases, making it ideal for extreme conditions. Additionally, its low volatility and high purity meet the stringent cleanliness standards required by semiconductor manufacturing. By forming a uniform sealing layer, it offers reliable sealing under high pressure, excellent lubricity, and compatibility with a wide range of materials, making it indispensable for applications in semiconductor manufacturing and aerospace. Second, the XYC High Purity PFPE lubricant. This product is specifically designed to meet the rigorous demands of semiconductor manufacturing, where purity and stability are paramount. Composed of fluorine, carbon, and oxygen, this lubricant delivers exceptional chemical inertness, an ultra-wide operating temperature range, -70°C to +400°C, low volatility, and superior lubrication. It is particularly suited for critical systems such as vacuum pumps, lithography machines, etching machines, and ion implantation machines. By minimizing wear, optimizing operational efficiency, and reducing contamination, XYCEG ensures consistent performance throughout semiconductor processes. Lastly, the XYCTM-PFPE grease. This grease is a robust lubrication solution tailored for the high-temperature environments of tire molds. Formulated with PFPE oil and thickened with PTFE, this grease offers remarkable heat resistance, maintaining stability from -73°C to 360°C without degradation or carbonization during tire vulcanization. Its excellent chemical stability prevents adverse reactions with other tire manufacturing chemicals, while its low volatility minimizes VOC contamination. Furthermore, the grease's outstanding lubrication and wear resistance reduce friction, extend equipment lifespan, and facilitate smooth demolding. Compatible with various materials, XYCTM is ideal for lubricating mold mechanisms and cooling system components, ensuring effective sealing and lubrication under thermal cycling conditions. In conclusion, YIBUZZ's high-performance PFPE greases exemplify cutting-edge solutions for the most demanding industrial environments. Leveraging the unique properties of PFPE technology, these products deliver exceptional performance under extreme temperatures, corrosive chemicals, and high cleanliness requirements. Whether your operations involve semiconductor manufacturing, aerospace, or heavy industry, we offer tailored lubrication and sealing solutions to enhance equipment efficiency, prolong service life, and reduce operating costs. For further inquiries or customized solutions, please visit us at YIBUZZ.com.